Understanding FRI leases. A full repairing and insuring lease, or FI lease, means the tenant is responsible for all repairs and insurance costs for the property, not the landlord. However, the landlord usually arranges the insurance and passes the cost to the tenant. In multi-let buildings, the landlord maintains common areas and charges tenants through a service charge. When is an FRI lease used? FRI leases are common in commercial properties such as restaurants, offices, and retail spaces. They are also used in social housing, where housing associations lease properties and rent them to tenants. Pros of an FRI lease: less responsibility for landlords, no repair or maintenance duties. Long-term tenants: businesses often sign extended leases. Well-maintained properties: tenants invest in upkeep. Stable income in social housing, long-term rental agreements with housing associations. Cons of an FRI lease: specialized modifications, tenants may alter the space, making reletting harder. Rent-free periods, landlords may need to offer incentives to attract tenants. Legal complexity, contracts must be carefully structured to protect the landlord's rights. Risk of neglect, some tenants may fail to maintain the property properly. Key considerations before signing an FRI lease: conduct a property survey to assess its condition. Use a schedule of condition to limit repair liabilities. Clearly define lease responsibilities to avoid disputes. Seek legal advice to protect your rights. An FRI lease can be a great option for both landlords and tenants, but only if both parties understand their obligations.